This is the first ever powder na alam ko that's acne-prone skin friendly. So kung pawisin ka, lalong-lalo na't ang init-init ngayon, and you're also breakout prone, you need to check this out. Now this powder is from Snake brand. This is their prickly heat cooling powder. Pero manonotice ninyo, hindi ito yung usual na red and green na version because yun yung original version, but this one is a special variant with benefits for acne-prone skin. Dati sa Thailand lang meron to, and I actually discovered this nung nasa Bangkok ako. And no joke guys, as in I posted about this sa story ko and then tinag ko pa si Snake brand na sana dalhin nila to sa Pilipinas. And nagulat talaga ako because Snake brand reached out to me and sabi nila na pinakinggan nila yung feedback ko and here we are, nirelease nila to almost 1 year later. And I'm so happy. But anyway, for those curious kung ano ba yung difference ng anti-acne variant na to, this one actually is infused with salicylic acid. And yung salicylic